That feeling you have, the one where you're just not right? Maybe you wake up stiff, or you have that persistent brain fog, or perhaps your doctor has given you a diagnosis that sounds overwhelming. You might feel tired even after a full night's sleep, or struggle with digestive issues that just won't clear up. This constellation of seemingly unrelated symptoms, from joint pain to chronic fatigue, all points back to one thing: a quiet, insidious, low-grade fire burning inside your body. That fire is chronic inflammation. It's not the acute, necessary inflammation we get when we sprain an ankle, which swells up and heals quickly. This is the persistent, simmering type that experts in functional medicine and nutritional science now identify as the underlying mechanism in almost every chronic health struggle. Research emerging from leading institutions, including those affiliated with major university medical schools, consistently points to this low-level inflammation as the engine of modern disease. When this internal fire is left unchecked, it begins to wear down your body's systems, affecting everything from your hormone balance and immune response to your cardiovascular health and cognitive function. It's the reason why so many people feel like they are constantly fighting a battle they can't quite win. The good news is that we don't have to simply endure this. The kitchen, often overlooked, holds some of the most powerful anti-inflammatory compounds known to science. Today, we are going to craft a single potent cup, a daily drink formulated with a precise combination of ingredients that have shown in studies to specifically target and quiet this inflammation at a cellular level. This is not a magic bullet, but it is a consistent, powerful tool for nutritional support. To truly understand the power of this cup, we need to go deeper than just the recipe. We need to explore the science of why these particular spices and roots work so effectively when combined. I want to walk you through the specifics of each ingredient, explaining the mechanisms by which they help your body restore balance. The foundations of anti-inflammation, a deep dive into the ingredients. 1. Turmeric, the master regulator. Turmeric is, without a doubt, the cornerstone of this anti-inflammatory cup, but its power is often oversimplified. Its primary active compound is curcumin, a polyphenol that has been the subject of thousands of scientific papers. The reason curcumin is so effective is because of its action on a core pathway of inflammation in your body called NF-κB, nuclear factor kappa B. NF-κB is essentially a molecular switch that turns on the genes responsible for producing inflammatory compounds. When your cells are under stress, from poor diet, environmental toxins, or chronic stress, the NF-κB switch gets stuck in the on position. Curcumin, as detailed in research, has the unique ability to intercept the signaling molecules that activate NF-κB. By blocking this switch, it helps prevent the production of a wide range of inflammatory cytokines, effectively turning down the volume on your body's internal inflammatory response. Furthermore, studies have shown that curcumin's efficacy against inflammation rivals that of some conventional remedies, making it a compelling, natural alternative for managing chronic discomfort and promoting cellular health. However, there's a crucial catch, which brings us to our next ingredient. 2. Black pepper, the bioavailability booster. As powerful as curcumin is, it has a significant limitation. The human body struggles to absorb it. Most of the curcumin you consume orally is quickly broken down in the gut and liver before it ever reaches the bloodstream where it can do its work. This is where the magic of black pepper comes in. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine. Research has demonstrated that piperine significantly enhances the bioavailability of curcumin. It does this through a fascinating mechanism. It temporarily inhibits an enzyme in the gut wall as well as a transport mechanism in the liver, both of which are responsible for metabolizing and eliminating substances like curcumin. By slowing down this elimination process, piperine allows far more curcumin to pass through the gut wall and enter your bloodstream. Studies suggest that this combination can increase the absorption of curcumin by an astounding percentage, sometimes up to 20 times what you would get from turmeric alone. Therefore, the turmeric and black pepper combination is not optional. It is essential for the drink's effectiveness. 3. Ginger, the soothing warmer. Ginger is known globally for its soothing properties, particularly for the stomach, but its anti-inflammatory power is multifaceted. The main active compounds are gingerols and shogaols, which are found in high concentrations in the fresh root. Research has shown that ginger has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant activities. Specific studies published in nutritional journals suggest ginger helps inhibit the production of several pro-inflammatory compounds, including certain leukotrienes and prostaglandins. This is why ginger is so well regarded for helping manage discomfort associated with overworked muscles and chronic joint issues. It's also a powerful aid for the digestive system, promoting better motility and reducing nausea, which helps support the gut, a major site of inflammation in the body. Furthermore, unlike some substances that address inflammation only after it starts, ginger's antioxidant profile helps to protect cells from the initial oxidative damage that triggers the inflammatory cascade. 4. Cinnamon, the blood sugar stabilizer. When inflammation is a problem, we must talk about blood sugar. High or erratic blood sugar levels are a major trigger for inflammatory cascades throughout the body, particularly impacting cardiovascular health. This is where cinnamon excels. The active components, primarily cinnamaldehyde and cinnamic acid, have been widely studied for their insulin-sensitizing effects. Research indicates that cinnamon can mimic insulin and significantly improve glucose uptake by the cells. By helping to stabilize blood sugar, cinnamon reduces the overall burden of metabolic stress on the body, thereby lowering one of the core triggers of chronic inflammation. Beyond its metabolic benefits, cinnamon is also a strong antioxidant, helping to neutralize free radicals that cause cellular damage. A note on variety. For regular consumption, many experts suggest Ceylon cinnamon, often called true cinnamon, over the more common cassia variety. This is because cassia contains higher levels of a compound called coumarin, which can be toxic to the liver in very high chronic doses. Ceylon offers similar benefits, with a much lower safety concern for daily use. 5. Cardamom, the gut protector. Cardamom may seem like a subtle addition, primarily for flavor, but it brings unique benefits to this formula. Its aromatic compounds like cineol and alpha-terpineol are potent antioxidants. However, cardamom's greatest strength is its supportive role in the gastrointestinal tract. Studies have highlighted cardamom's ability to reduce stomach acidity and even protect the mucosal lining of the stomach, demonstrating a profound anti-ulcer and digestive soothing effect. A healthy gut lining is absolutely critical for managing inflammation, as a compromised barrier can allow undigested food particles and toxins to leak into the bloodstream, triggering a widespread immune response, often referred to as leaky gut. By supporting healthy digestion and gut barrier integrity, cardamom helps to turn off one of the body's primary inflammatory entry points. 6. Lemon or lime, the antioxidant synergy. The addition of fresh lemon or lime provides a vital, immediate use source of vitamin C. Vitamin C is a water-soluble powerhouse, acting as one of the most important chain-breaking antioxidants in the body. It helps to regenerate other antioxidants, ensuring they can continue to do their work. Furthermore, citrus fruits contain various bioflavonoids that work in tandem with the vitamin C and the spices. The acidity also helps to prime the digestive system for the potent compounds it is about to receive. By adding this fresh component, we ensure the drink is not only packed with potent spice compounds, but is also rich in the essential vitamins necessary for immune and tissue maintenance. 7. The base, tea, green or black. The water-based foundation of this drink, whether you choose green or black tea, adds its own layer of polyphenol richness. Green tea is renowned for its EGCG epigallocatechin galate, a catechin that has been extensively studied for its powerful antioxidant properties, ability to enhance detoxification, and support for brain health. If you opt for black tea, you are utilizing the theaflavins and thearubigins, which are powerful compounds formed during the fermentation of the tea leaves. Regardless of the choice, The tea base provides a vast complex of antioxidants that complements the anti-inflammatory action of the spices, offering cellular protection and helping to modulate the immune system. The synergy, why the combination matters. This drink is far more powerful than its individual parts. This is known as the entourage effect or synergy. Consider the interaction. Curcumin delivers the primary anti-inflammatory message, blocking NF-κB. Piperine ensures that message is actually delivered to the entire body, high absorption. Cinnamon and cardamom address the metabolic and gut triggers of inflammation. Ginger and vitamin C offer a broad shield of antioxidant protection and soothe immediate discomfort. By combining fat-soluble compounds, curcumin, with the enhancers, piperine, and water-soluble antioxidants, vitamin C, EGCG, we create a comprehensive biological signal that is optimized for absorption and broad-spectrum effect. This sophisticated blend is what elevates this simple cup to a powerful daily health tonic. The detailed recipe and preparation method. Preparing this drink correctly is essential to maximize the extraction of the beneficial compounds. We are aiming for a controlled steep, not a prolonged boil. Overboiling can destroy the delicate antioxidants in the tea and some of the spice compounds. Yields: 1 generous serving, approximately 1.5 cups liquid. Ingredients: standard measurements. Water: 2 cups, distilled or filtered water is preferred. Tea base: 1 teaspoon loose leaf tea or 1 tea bag, green tea or high-quality black tea. Turmeric: 1-2 teaspoon ground turmeric, 1-inch slice, crushed. Use high-quality powder. Black pepper: 5 to 7 whole peppercorns, preferred. Freshly cracked is best for piperine concentration. Cinnamon: 1/4 teaspoon ground, Ceylon cinnamon. Ensure it is Ceylon, not cassia. Cardamom: 1/4 teaspoon ground, cardamom or 3-4 crushed pods. Crushing the pods releases the essential oils. Ginger: 1 teaspoon ground ginger, 1.2-inch fresh root slice. Peeled, crush the fresh root slightly to release the oils. Lemon lime juice of 1-2, a small lemon lime, added at the end. Sweetener optional, 1-2 teaspoon raw, local honey or a few drops of stevia. Avoid high amounts of refined sugar. The step-by-step method. Bring water to boil. In a small saucepan, bring the 2 cups of filtered water to a rolling boil. Remove from heat. Immediately remove the pot from the heat source. This stops the aggressive temperature and protects the delicate compounds. Add hardier ingredients. First, add the turmeric, black peppercorns, ground cinnamon, ground cardamom, and ginger. These compounds are resilient and benefit from the initial high heat. Steep the tea. Wait about 30-60 seconds for the water to cool slightly. If using green tea, wait up to 2 minutes. Then add your loose leaf tea or tea bag. If the water is too hot, it can scald the green tea leaves, resulting in a bitter taste and potentially degrading some antioxidants. Cover and steep. Place a lid on the saucepan and let all the ingredients steep together for a precise 7 to 10 minutes. This steeping time is crucial. It ensures maximum extraction of the curcumin, gingerols, and tea polyphenols. Strain and serve. Pour the liquid through a fine mesh strainer directly into your serving cup. Gently press the solids with a spoon to ensure you capture all the liquid. The final touches. Once the liquid is in your cup and has cooled slightly, stir in the juice of half a lemon or lime. If you are using honey, this is the time to add it, as adding it to boiling water can reduce its nutritional value. Implementation and practical advice. The consistency of this routine is what delivers the results. 1 cup occasionally will not resolve chronic inflammation. It needs to be a steady, supportive presence in your daily nutrition. Optimal timing. The best time to consume this drink is in the late morning, a few hours after waking up, or mid-afternoon. Consuming it too close to bedtime might interfere with sleep due to the small caffeine content from the tea base. Drinking it between meals rather than immediately with a large meal may also enhance the absorption of the beneficial compounds. Addressing stomach sensitivity. The high concentration of spices can be overwhelming for some stomachs initially. If you experience discomfort, try cutting the spice measurements in half for the first week and slowly increase the dose. Always sip slowly, giving your body time to adjust. Batch preparation, efficiency hack. For busy schedules, you can prepare a concentrated batch of the spices and ginger. Simmer the water, spices, and ginger for 15 minutes, strain, and store this concentrated liquid in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. When you want a cup, simply reheat a portion of the concentrate and then steep your fresh tea and add the lemon juice. Important considerations and precautions. While these are natural food components, they are powerful and concentrated. It is important to remember a few things. Medication interactions. Turmeric and ginger can have mild blood thinning effects. If you are taking anticoagulant or antiplatelet medication, or if you have an upcoming surgery, you should always discuss adding concentrated doses of these herbs to your diet with your healthcare provider. Gallbladder issues. Curcumin can stimulate bile release. While this is often beneficial, those with pre-existing gallbladder disease or gallstones should exercise caution and consult a specialist before regular use. This cup is a foundational element, not a cure-all. It's designed to support your body's natural healing mechanisms, working best when coupled with a lifestyle that prioritizes quality sleep, stress management, and a whole food diet low in processed ingredients and refined sugars. A calming conclusion. Remember, the journey toward better health isn't about dramatic overnight changes. It's about the small, intentional habits we integrate into our lives every single day. This anti-inflammatory cup is one of those habits. It's your daily commitment to turning down that internal fire, supporting your gut, protecting your cells, and giving your body the foundational ingredients it needs to heal and thrive. Think of this preparation as an act of self-care, a moment of quiet, warm nourishment that actively works to restore your balance. I encourage you to try this recipe for a consistent period, perhaps 4 weeks, and genuinely pay attention to how you feel. The subtle lifting of brain fog, the reduction in joint stiffness, or the improvement in your overall energy. We are all learning and growing together, and your experience matters. If this deep dive resonated with you and gave you the knowledge and confidence to make this change, please consider joining our community by subscribing, liking this video, and sharing your journey or any helpful tips you discover in the comments below. Take a slow, intentional sip of your cup and know that you are taking a powerful step toward a more vibrant, balanced future.